guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you and it is Box of Goth. I don't know what one it is because it's actually a birthday present from Box of Goth for me, which is so lovely of them because they're amazing. I bought myself that huge bitch back there, which is the Box of Goth advent calendar. I'm just going to grab it so you can see the difference in size. I was kindly gifted this one as a birthday present. This is happy belated birthday, couple of extra items inside. Don't mind the ghosty, I didn't have time to do another. I'm sorry. Lots of love from Nikki. So this is the normal size of the coffin boxes, and Box of Goth every month is a themed gothic goodies box. So there's been like Kings of Horror, Queens of Horror, the Addams Family, witches, all different amazing things. I've purchased many of them myself over the years, but I've had quite a few sent to me as well because they're amazing and I love them. But yeah, I'm gonna get this one so you can see. I haven't opened this one yet. This is going to be opened during Vlogmas, but look. I didn't think you could tell the difference really. Like when I first did a sneak peek of this one, you can't really tell how big it is, but then when you see it next to a normal one, it's massive. I cannot wait. I'm going to do this every single day during Vlogmas, so come around for that one. Oh, stay there. So I'll leave all the links, and if I've got a discount code I will leave that too for you guys. But this is the box. Oh, okay, so we've got a sleepy mask. The girls always steal these. Two of my children love a sleepy mask. This one's got pumpkins on, which is super cute. We've got some prints. So this is the Keeping It Spooky box. So I've got a print. Oh my god, I love that. Look. I love that. That's going in a frame. This is a postcode, a postcard. Sharp Lucy. This is just a postcard. We've got some Witch's Curse incense sticks. Let's have a little smell of them. Love incense. Oh my god, what is that? They smell amazing. What smell is that? Oh my god, I'm gonna message Nikki and ask her what that smell is because that is incredible. Oh my god. Oh, they're black, I like it. I'm gonna burn one of those as soon as I go downstairs. That is going on my burner. I've got some Bloody Spooky or vegan wax melts. These are super cute. Look at them. If it wants to focus, there you go, look. We've got a little coffin and then we've got a little pumpkin. Let's have a smell of them. Oh, they smell lovely. Oh, they smell really nice. Really super cute. Good. I've got a little, oh my god, it's a pencil. I was like, oh my god, it's a little tiny broom. How cute. But it's a pencil. Multifunctional. I love that. So cute. Awesome. I've got a Witch's Curse fragrance oil. So I assume this is the same scent as the Joss sticks. Let's have a look. I want to see if it says what smell it is. Tell me what you are. Tell me what you are. How am I not a famous singer? Like, seriously? Why? Oh. You don't tell me what you are. Let's have a smell. Yep, smells the same. So good. Absolutely love that. That is so nice. I have been using like essential oils like this in little spray bottles with like 90% water and then like 10 or 12 drops of this, and then using it as a room spray, which I like. I've got a magnet that says casting in progress, or progress, however you want to say it. That will go on my fridge. I've got Halloween. On Halloween, we wash in black, a Halloween soap. Oh, I love that. That's really cool. I think that might be a little extra goodie because I can't see that on the list. I've got a Creepy Things notebook, which is so cute. I'm just open it so I can show you. She's so cute. Look. Creepy Things. Little notepad. That can go in my purse. That will fit in my handbag nicely. I've got Every Day is Halloween, isn't it? For some of us. Yes, it is. Every day is Halloween. What is in here? A little... This is a, I think this is this a cauldron necklace? That is so cute. Little tiny cauldron, so cute. I will show you at the end of this video. I made myself something that I'm very proud of the other day, and it is a necklace holder display, just because I was so bad at having my necklaces just in a ball in a jewelry box. And so I made myself something, and this will go on there as well. And there is a lot of stuff from Box of Goth on there. A patch. Keep out of direct sunlight. Me, literally me. I love that. I have got probably about 15 patches and maybe 30 pin badges that I'm going to put on a denim jacket when I've lost some weight. I'm going to buy a nice jacket and then I'm going to put these on it. That's my kind of my little goal, is to have my nice black denim jacket with all my patches on it. This is the ghostie I think she's talking about. I love him. He's a Christmas decoration. I love him. He's going to go straight on my Christmas tree right now. I love him. And then there is a ghostie bottle opener. That is cute. That can go on my key ring. Look. And it says booze instead of boo. I love that. Super, super cute. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. As always, this is going in a frame and this is going in a frame. And I'm hoping to have like a little gallery wall of all my different bits from Box of Goth. Probably not going to happen in this house, but when we move, I'm going to get them all up because I've got them like just, they're all stuck on the wall over there. And then they're all stuck on the wall over there. But I will collect them all and have them when we move. Right, I am going to show you guys what I made. But if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. That would be amazeballs. There is one giveaway every single day of Vlogmas. So from the 1st of December to the 25th of December, there is one giveaway every single day. There's makeup, there's wax melts, there is I've got brain farts. There's stationery, there's cross stitch, sweary cross stitch, there's just loads of stuff. So yeah, stick around for that, but I'm going to show you what I made. So this is what I made. It's got all my jewellery on it. There's not all my jewellery, but quite a lot of it. There's some brooches and hair grips at the top. There's some earrings up this end, and then there is an absolute crap ton of necklaces. Look at this one. It's Wednesday. So cool. I absolutely love it. I'm so pleased with it. I'm going to paint it black, I think. But when we move, I'll do that. I can't be bothered to take it off the wall now. So Yeah, thank you so much to Box of Goth for sending me this. You guys are bloody amazing, and I have said to you many times before, when this bloody bug goes and we can all go out and meet people, I am coming to see you. I am going to bring you all the chocolate brownies.